Oh my god, I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it. I've been buying so many things. I've been spending so much money on the things. It's holiday season, so many gifts, you know, it's a season of giving, and I've been giving a lot. But nonetheless, right, I promised you guys that I was going to start being transparent about my spending and my budgeting and like where it is that my money is going. So here we go. In today's video, I'm going to show you precisely where it is that I track my spending, how it is that I track it, and where my money goes. So let's go ahead and hop right in. This right here is my Notion page, because you know I'm a NACA girly, but I'm also a Notion girly, and I love the thing. So the first thing that we have here, if you scroll down a little bit, is we have our calendar, right? So this calendar right here shows all of my reoccurring debt. So for example, yesterday was the first of the month. That means my mortgage was due $1,653.03. Really, you can just see all of my upcoming bills for the month. So as we scroll down, let me go to my overview. This is how much money I have in debt. Of course, not including student loans. So right here, if you look at this lovely graph, I have $22,000 in debt. 12,000 of that, 55.8% of that is for a personal loan. The next one is my auto loan. So currently I owe $7,500, which is great because a few months ago, like 2 months ago, I owed $10,000, so I brought that down a little bit. That is 35% of my debt. Then we have the Things credit card. The Things credit card currently has $1,500. That is 6.9% of my debt. And then the last credit card that I have, I only have two, is my autopay credit card. That one I owe $488, which is 2.3% of my debt. When it comes to my credit cards, I use them wisely. I know like some people, they'll use credit cards for like points and like things like that. Personally, for me, because I'm trying to pay off my debt, I feel like you have to be really focused on it to make sure that you're not overpaying, right? It's just something that I don't want to risk right now. So right now I have two credit cards. One of them, the Things credit card, right? And so that's the credit card that I use. It's really for emergencies, but it's also the credit card that I use whenever I want anything. Anything that is not on auto pay, I'll buy it with my credit card. I never spend money on my checking. I'd rather just use the Things credit card to buy all the little things my heart desires and like emergencies, of course, and then just pay that off at the end of the month. And so the next credit card that I have is an auto pay credit card. Anything that I can auto pay, my cell phone bill, my internet bill, anything that I can put on auto pay, I will. I don't want any auto pay coming out of my checking account. My checking account, I strictly use it just to pay off my credit card or to transfer money into my savings. And again, both credit cards I pay off every month. So here we have the income tab. So this is where I track my savings, number one, but then number two, my checking account, right? And so of course I have here the balance of each, and then I have the date that it was reconciled. And then right here we have my debts, right? So again, auto pay, because the money just comes out even if I don't want it to. Like, that's how I have it programmed to make sure all my bills are getting paid on time. The Things credit card, that's like me getting in trouble. That was me this weekend getting in trouble for Black Friday. Oh my goodness. Next we have my auto loan. Again, right now I owe $7,542.21. And then I have a personal loan, $12,020, right? So again, so with the avalanche method, my goal right now is to pay as much as I can to my auto loan. Once my auto loan is paid off, then it's to pay as much as I can to the personal loan. The more that I spend on the Things credit card, the less money that I pay for my car, right? And that kind of just brings me to the situation I'm in right now. I started a new job back in September, and you know, things, thank the Lord, are going super stable at my job. And I'm just like, you know what? I really like this place. I can see myself here long term. Let me invest a little bit and let me like upgrade my wardrobe. Like, you know, the clothes that I was wearing was from when I was like 21, 24, and like they still fit, but they're just not it. You know what I mean? And so I took opportunity of like that Black Friday, and I started buying like really nice clothes, like just like nicer fabrics, like none of that Shein stuff, you know. No shame on Shein, like no dig, because Shein is amazing, like if you need it. But like I think we all hope to get to a point where we're not buying Shein. We're buying cute clothes that's also amazing quality, that's not going to fall apart after 2 wears. Your budget should never make you feel restricted in like any way. You should not be restricted. You should not be deprived. I'm definitely of the belief that you should be able to do the things, you know what I'm saying? Like, I work hard, I made sacrifices in my life, and like, yeah, I have goals to like pay off my bills, like very aggressive goals, but at the same time, I don't want it to be a situation of like, oh, I'll take the trip once I pay off my car. Oh, I'll take the trip next year. Oh, I'll pay the trip once I, because you never know if that moment is going to come. Like anything could happen, right? You never know if you're going to see tomorrow. So I think like we should always just be present in the moment. And like when your friend asks you to take an unexpected trip to the Caribbean, if you have the money to do so, I think you should take the trip, essentially, right? I feel like money is a tool, right? Money is for me to enjoy, to have good experiences with the people that I love. It's to share. I don't believe in money as like, oh, I gotta save it. You know what I mean? Like I believe money is to enhance your life. And I think part of that is to give back to the people around you, to share experiences, to go on vacations, right? Right now, I'm not really doing a weekly check-in. It was more just like an update of all the spending. Like, oh my God, I did not want to post this video. I was terrified. But, it is what it is. It is what it is. Next month in January, we'll start, paying thousands again to the car and we'll be back on track. But definitely let me know in the comments below, would you have taken the trip if you had dispensable income, or would you have taken that money and like put it towards the car? Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I will see you next video.